So we've all heard that September is a pretty rough trading month, but did you know that September is normally one of the worst trading months of the overall year? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and I have something to share with you. So now that we're done with September, I thought we could talk about this, especially with how we wrapped up this September. Did you know that this September in 2022 is the worst September trading month dating back since 2002 as a whole? So that means that in the past 20 years, there has not been a worse trading month for September than this one, right? Dating back till 2002. I thought that I would share some of these stats with you guys. You guys would find it somewhat interesting, especially of what to expect for this up and coming month of October, especially with the up and coming economic reports and Fed meetings. This is something that we're going to make sure that we cover on this channel. So again, make sure that you drop a thumbs up on this video and make sure that you subscribe, and I'll do my job in keeping you guys up to date with what's going on with the stock market. So the first thing that I want to share with you is, well, how bad was this month, right? So let's have a better understanding of it. Let's talk about the numbers. So for the S&P 500 in the month of this September, the S&P 500 dropped 9.34%. For the Dow Jones, it dropped 8.84%. And for the NASDAQ composite, it fell 10.5%, being the biggest loser. Now, the thing that I found most interesting is, well, where does this stat that September is bad comes from, right? Why is it always so bad? This is where I thought that it was pretty interesting. So in the past, what is this? The past almost 100 years. So we have seen the S&P 500 in the month of September decline 7% or more 11 times. And this is dating back since 1928. The Dow Jones has dropped more than 7% in September 13 times, dating back since 1928. And the NASDAQ composite has fallen more than 9% in the month of September, a total of 6 times, and this is dating back since 1986. So yes. You can say that September is normally not the best trading month. So again, if you had somewhat of a rough month, understand that September tends to be just that, a rough month. But when it comes down to the follow-ups, October doesn't tend to be that bad. Now, obviously, we can't just look at previous patterns and expect it to repeat themselves, as right now what's going on is a little bit different, right? The Federal Reserve is trying to raise interest rates. They're trying to apply pressure for the overall economy for us to really feel it. They want our economy to begin to slow down. Therefore, they're making it more expensive when it comes down to interest rates. They're raising interest rates month over month, and this is something that they plan to approach head on until they bring inflation or core inflation down to 2%. So it's, again, going to be short-term pain for long-term gain. I still think that right now is an amazing time to prepare for the market to recover. Preparation does not mean that you have to actively buy a stock right now. It just simply means that you have a plan of action. What stock are you buying? When do you plan to buy it? And how much of it do you plan to buy? Focus and keep it simple. It could be 1 to maybe 3 different stocks. They can be long-term plays. You don't even have to day trade. But I know that every single time, if we look back to any previous recession, it's viewed as a missed opportunity. Don't let this one be the same thing, because it's any current recession that is viewed as a risky time to invest, but it's all perspective, because we can't foresee the future, but we can always look back and talk about what we missed out on or what we could have done more of, right? So with that being said, let's keep trading simple, especially for the month of October, and allow the opportunity to present itself. When it comes down to the overall NASDAQ market, if we look at this on the day chart, we are at pretty much 52-week lows. And this also follows for a lot of different stocks. Not Amazon, but again, we're really close to 52-week lows. We're right around 112, 113. When it comes down to Apple stock, right now we're at 138. So again, there's a lot of opportunity out there for recovery potential. Just because I trade something or just because I choose to focus on something does not mean that you need to do the same. You guys know that I'm always here to encourage you to invest or trade whatever it is that you see the most value in. My biggest thing is that you just simply do it in an effective way. You watch your position size, you create a plan of action, and that you follow through with proper execution. That's all we want, right? For you to be able to create your own plan for success. So again, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, I hope that you know that you can always direct message me via Discord, and that's that first link in the description if you have any questions, right? I can't assist you if you don't send me a direct message. So again, please don't be shy. Send me a direct message, and that's that first link down below. I wish you an amazing weekend. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's free live session. If you didn't watch that, it's actually the video that I uploaded right before this. I gave my overall YouTube channel a taste of what my private Learn Plan Profit group gets to experience every single day in being able to watch me trade live. It's a raw live trading session, and again, it just shows my entries, my exits, my thought process, and what led to that successful day trade. Again, if you have any questions about that, feel free to message me, but the second link in the description is our biggest sale, and it's $150 off our Learn Plan Profit 2.0. So if you've been waiting for our biggest discount, now is your chance, and that's that second link in the description, and that link will expire within the next 48 hours. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date with up and coming Fed meetings and economic reports, and all you need to do is sit back, subscribe, and again, make sure you turn on those post notifications so YouTube alerts you when it is that I go live. Like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.